Upbeat music plays. The screen splits into two showing the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop on the left and the Shark Steam and Scrub All-in-One Scrubbing Hard Floor Steam Mop S8001 on the right. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions while keeping it fun. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights: the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub All-in-One Scrubbing Hard Floor Steam Mop. Sounds fancy, right? But will they clean your floors or just leave you with more dirt than you started with? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $149, which some reviewers find a bit steep, but many believe it's worth the investment due to its long-lasting performance. Meanwhile, the Steam and Scrub is a bit of a bargain at $139, making it a more attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Reviewers appreciate the value it offers for its multifunctionality. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the scrubber might be the way to go. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The Professional Steam Pocket Mop promises to give you steam in about 30 seconds, which is great if you can wait that long. Reviewers have praised its effectiveness in removing dirt and grease, making it a reliable choice. Meanwhile, the Steam and Scrub boasts over 150 scrubs per minute. Users love its ability to tackle tough stains, making cleaning feel like less of a chore. It's like a dance party for your floors. When it comes to functionality, the Steam and Scrub has three steam modes: light, normal, and deep, allowing for versatility depending on the mess. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially those with varying types of flooring. The Professional Mop, however, is more of a one-trick pony with just a simple steam function, which some users find limiting. It's like that friend who only knows how to order pizza. Great! But what about tacos? Design-wise, the Steam and Scrub is sleek and durable with powerful LED headlights. Reviewers rave about its modern look and functionality. Forget the Batmobile, you'll be zooming around your kitchen like a cleaning superhero. The Professional Mop, on the other hand, has a classic design that some users find less appealing. It's reliable, but does it have the wow factor? Many would say not so much. Ease of use is crucial. The Steam and Scrub features swivel steering and an upright lock, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. Reviewers highlight how effortless it is to use, especially for those recovering from injuries. The Professional Mop, while effective, requires a bit more finesse, which some users find cumbersome. If you've ever seen someone pump a mop handle with the grace of a giraffe on roller skates, you know what I mean. Overall, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is praised for its durability and effectiveness, with many loyal customers returning for more. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub is celebrated for its innovative design and powerful scrubbing capabilities, making it a favorite among those who want a comprehensive cleaning solution. So which mop should you buy? If you want something that's got the latest tech, scrubs like a pro, and keeps your floors looking shiny, then the Steam and Scrub is your winner. But if you're a traditionalist who loves the classic steam experience, the Professional Steam Pocket Mop might just be your jam. Remember, folks, cleaning doesn't have to be boring. With the right tools, you can turn it into a dance party. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If this video helped you decide, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Outro music plays as the screen fades out with the channel logo and subscribe button.